In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Arculus Wallet. So to do this, step 1 is to set up your Arculus Wallet. So just install the Arculus app on your phone and then pair an active Arculus card. Then from within the app, tap receive and select the cryptocurrency that you want to send from Robinhood. Then you can go and copy your wallet address. Now make sure you choose the correct blockchain network, for example ETH on Ethereum, not on Polygon, and Solana on Solana, Bitcoin on Bitcoin, etc. So after you copy your wallet address, open up the Robinhood app. Then go to the crypto tab and select the coin you want to move. For example, I'll just go with Solana right here in my portfolio. And after doing that, scroll down and click on send. After doing that, you will see this. Now here click enter manually. And then just paste in the wallet address you got from your Arculus wallet. Then click continue and enter how much you would like to transfer. Then it will ask you where is this crypto going. If it's your Arculus wallet, select myself. If it's someone else's, select that. And finally just click submit right here in the overview. Then you may need to enter a verification code if you have that enabled. And after entering that and they know it's you, then it will be sent to your Arculus wallet. I would recommend sending a small test payment first to see if it arrives, which it should if you follow these steps, and then after it arrives you can then send the rest of it, and that is the safest way to do it. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Arculus wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.